This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Celeste Ukashevsky. This affordable 3-bedroom split-level home along the Esopus Bend Nature Preserve in Barclay Heights development is waiting for a kind, gentle soul to call it home. The floor plan is functional as well as desirable with its office space, half bath with laundry and large family room on the lower level. The family room features a beautiful brick-faced wood-burning fireplace, and views of the Esopus Bend Nature Preserve. Up just 4 stairs, you will find the lovely eat-in kitchen with solid wood cabinets. The living room features high cathedral ceiling, open space that looks up to the upper floor, and a large bay window that capture maximum natural light. The 3 bedrooms and full bath can be found on the top floor. Very efficient gas heat, and central air. There is plenty of storage in the 2-car attached garage, attic, and partial basement area. Scoop it up before someone else does. For more information, review the details below or contact Celeste Ukashevsky at 845-336-2633.